Our position has always been, and this dates back to last year, that the function and duty of the Senate is to conduct a trial, to hear the evidence and then come up with a decision. And therefore, in answer to your question, yun lang dapat ang maaring gawin ng ating Senado bilang impeachment court. Yan ang posisyon po namin.
Siguro just like to ask categorically sa bahagi po ng prosecution, do you think it would be unconstitutional for the Senate to dismiss the trial before hearing the impeachment case? Kasi if that is possible, given na if some senator introduces a motion to dismiss the trial and they entertain it, under that scenario, would it be unconstitutional for the Senate to dismiss the trial?
Our position has always been, and this dates back to last year, that the function and duty of the Senate is to conduct a trial, to hear the evidence and then come up with a decision. And therefore, in answer to your question, yun lang dapat ang maaring gawin ng ating Senado bilang impeachment court. Yan ang posisyon po namin.
Just to be clear, it would go against the letter and the spirit of the Constitution if dismiss at this point, even before the trial itself, even before the presentation of evidence and evaluation of evidence. Salamat.
On another topic po, if I remember po doon sa manifestation nyo last week, nilagay nyo po doon na, in-request nyo doon that public and private prosecutors be allowed to participate in witness examination. How confident are you po that this request will be granted by the impeachment court, and how important is it that private prosecutors be allowed in witness examination?
Yes, we are confident that both public prosecutors and private prosecutors will be allowed to participate in the witness presentation. Ganun naman talaga sa trial, even the regular courts, and also merong precedents in the past impeachment cases of the former President Erap Estrada and the former Chief Justice Renato Corona, that private prosecutors were allowed to participate, were allowed to present to witness, either as a direct or for purposes of cross, basta ba under control and supervision. Wala po sa Senate Rules of Procedure in Impeachment na pinagbabawal yan. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, Rule 13 allows it in the Senate Rules of Procedure in impeachment cases. Now, pwede ang private prosecutor, basta ba under the control and supervision. It will facilitate in the efficient presentation of evidence and assist actually the impeachment court in its full evaluation or full layout of the facts. Nakasabi po yan sa aming manifestation, pero tinututulan po ito ng defense. Kaya this matter will be subject now to the for the resolution of the impeachment court.
Sir, ma'am, kailan po magpa-file ng entry of appearance ito pong latest batch of private prosecutors?
We are already preparing the entry of appearance, and it can be filed as early as this afternoon.
Okay po. And last question na lang po, patungkol lang po doon sa spokespersons. I think pang-apat na po siguro si former Congressman Ace Barbers na napangalanan ding spokesperson. What is just the value of having too many spokespersons in the upcoming impeachment trial sa bahagi po ng prosecution?
3 and 4 spokespersons, hindi naman po marami yan. So far, hindi naman po marami yung spokesperson. So even if magdagdag po ang prosecution ng kanyang spokesperson, makakatulong po yan sa pag-relay, sa pag-explain sa publiko. Kasi this is such an important process, yung impeachment trial. Kailangan po mas malinaw na nasasabi sa publiko kung ano yung mga nangyayari dyan sa impeachment trial. So the more the better, actually, na meron talagang mga several spokespersons for the prosecution para hinahati-hati rin yung kanilang tungkulin as such. Thank you.
Salamat po.
All right, Eden, it's your turn.
Good morning po, Eden Santos from Net25. May statement po from Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian na baka sa February next year, abutin po yung impeachment trial from September yata ang narinig namin original po. Sa part po ng prosecution panel, hindi po ba ito nakakadismaya na inaasahan natin sana yung forthwith para dito sa paglilitis kay Vice President Sara Duterte? At paano po makakatulong yung private prosecutors para po mas mapabilis pa yung impeachment trial?
Tulad nga po ng sinabi kanina, yung time period na nabanggit is just a conservative estimate. But trust that the prosecution is doing its best to expedite the process without, of course, sacrificing its case.
Thank you po.